Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 22, NASDAQ off 12, S&P's down 3.5, gold contract up $5, trading at $12.9980. Silver, flat, $17.01. Copper, $2.94 a pound. Light sweet crude, $50.62 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 4 ticks, 125.24. 30-year bond up 7 ticks, 154.03. King dollar up 100, down 109 ticks, trading at 91.940. The euro is at 119 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is trading out here at 112 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Bottom line, not much. We are at 249.31 on the S&P. The high out here for the week was 250, so you're right next to it. We put this on a weekly basis. What you're going to see on a weekly basis is that last week, the high was 250.32. This week, you had 250.19. Bottom line, you get a sideways move. The SPY has to get under 248.91, which is the high generated from the August 11th week, folks. To get moving to the downside. We take a look at the NDX 100. Now, the NDX 100 a little bit different. What we have with the NDX 100, that little baby came down slightly this week. We're at 144.25. The high is 146.59. We put this on a weekly basis, and what you're going to see is that the high of last week, 146.59, it didn't get hit. We had 146.37. You come off that, and you have a slight expansion of volume, nothing heavy. The way this is trading, however, is that we did get back inside the 28th of July's high, and that's saying that, okay, now you get game down to the 140.18, which is the swing low of August 25th, as well as 135.80. 135.80 is the swing low of the 7th, the week of the 7th of July. Small caps. Let's take a look at the small caps. So small caps out here today, bottom line, they went after high. The high they were going after, 144.25. We've done 17.7 million shares out here today. 21 million is the high that was generated out here on the 25th. So as we come into the close today, this is going to be an important one. The reason it's going to be important is that, you had the Dow back down slightly. The NASDAQ came down. If this small cap stays up there, this market's not done. It would just mean that, hey, guess what? They haven't all tested. So we get about 11 cents on that small cap. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract traded down at $12.94 today. You're at $12.99. Now the $12.97 is important, folks. Okay, and this is what the $12.97 is. 1297 is where we broke out from on the 28th of August. We're in this consolidation. The consolidation we were in, at the top of the consolidation was 1307. The bottom was approximately 1224 to 1211. Built a huge amount of cause. We broke out, wide price spread, accelerated volume, had it all. Now we'll pull back, and you did pull back, and we did it with, let's see, so... yeah, we did it with lighter volume. It's a close call, but 460 into 401. So you rejected it. Now what you're looking for, if you're a bull, is you're looking to get back inside the 1297, which we've done. Market's not closed yet, though. We got another 45 minutes. We then take a look at the silver market. What do we have with silver? Silver's trading $17 out here. Well, excuse me. What we have with silver, silver came down hard yesterday. You're going sideways today, where the number that you want to keep your eye on at silver is $17.10. We're not there yet. We're at $17.02. The 17.10, same day, the 28th of August. That's where we broke topside from. That's what it has to get back inside of. Notes and bonds. Here we go. So this note and bond market, folks, is just a different animal altogether. Each and every time that these babies come down, they've come down with lighter volume. They've rejected price. They haven't broke a swing point. We'll bring the 30-year up. We haven't broke a swing point, I believe, in about 8 or 9 years, meaning on the way up. So what do we have? You get down to a price point of 125.17. We do that on Wednesday. The number that has to get back inside was 125.21. We're 125.24 right now. So the way this is setting up, it's saying, hey, this is going to build cause again to get to higher price. If we look at the 30-year, what you have with the 30-year? 30 years of, well, we'll see what it's going to. It looked a little bit better this morning. 30-year right now, you're at 154.02. The number to keep your eye on is 153.11. And we got down to, see, this is interesting. The 30-year did it again. The 30-year, folks, it just won't even get to a swing point. These markets want higher price. And watch this. When I take this 30-year, I'm going to take the 30-year and we'll put it up on a much longer-term basis so you can just see how long this market has been going on without taking out a swing point. I just put it back 15 years and I can't find one. I think it was 2000, yeah. So the last time that the bond market took out a swing point, meaning you get a correction and you get under an important low, was December of 1999. Yeah, 1999. We've almost done it a few times. Guess what? Hasn't happened. You know, we had a big retracement in 2012. We went from 153 down to 127. Bottom line, you had to go to 127.09. We went to 127.23. You had another big one in April of 2015, and we just had one that ended in December of 2016. Bottom line, they still want higher price. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. We'll be right back.